Good morning, people. Welcome back to What a Divorced Dad Does. And today, your boy have another project that he gonna be knocking out. Like I told you, just because you're divorced don't mean that the projects don't stop. So today, I'm gonna be installing a smart thermostat here at the crib. And I got the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. And we're gonna have a challenge on our hand, or it may not be a challenge, but just a little something that I haven't done before. In the process of trying to install the thermostat, I found out that I don't have a C wire that is needed in order to install it. So I'm going to have to install an adapter in the furnace itself, which I've never played around with. So that's going to be a challenge. But this is the Ecobee. Let me put this back up here. That we're gonna smart thermostat. It's supposed to be one of the best smart thermostats out there on the market. So we're gonna be installing this. And this is the faceplate for it. Oh, faceplate that we're gonna be using. And this is the adapter that I'm gonna have to install on the furnace itself. Not at the wall, but in the furnace. But like I say, because I don't have the necessary C wires, so this is like an adapter that you can use that will make the thermostat compatible. So this is the task that we're going to be starting off, installing this Ecobee Smart Thermostat. And we're going to get that together and installed. And we're going to see if everything working and make sure I don't mess up my doggone thermostat. So let's go.